Quite frankly, I think that my lightning bolts look like tree branches, but you know. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. This is my 30th look of the month. Crazy, I know, really crazy. We're almost there. This is another look, part of my Elements series. This is my lightning makeup. It was inspired by these two artists. I loved both of these looks, so I kind of incorporated it, one on this side, one on this side, but I really loved the blues for this look. I thought it looked really cool with blue and like it just looks really cool. It looks difficult, it looks cool, but it's actually very easy to achieve. So if you want to see how I got this lightning makeup, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, starting off with my face already foundationed and brows on, I'm going to spray my whole face with the Mermist from Tarte, and then we're going to use the Morphe Brushes 35B palette, and I'm essentially using the entire blue row all the way at the end and then a tiny bit of the darkest purple, but I'm going to use all of these shades to kind of create this like shape going from like one side of my face to the other, and then I am going to start to create a like smoky eye on my eyes. So I wasn't precise on the rest of my face, but my eyes I was a little bit more precise. I used these two Makeup Forever shadows. They will be listed in the description below because Makeup Forever decided to change their shadows just a little bit over the past couple years. So I've had these for a while, but I used the royal blue on the inner part of my eyes and then the white, which has an iridescent blue. I call it my Cinderella shade. I put it all over the inner corners and all the highlight areas. Now I'm just tight lining, adding some liner, mascara, lashes from Tarte, and then I am using the star of the show for this look, which is the Suva Beauty Hydra Paint in Space Panda. Guys, I hate my lightning bolts. They are horrible. Who let me do this? Who told me to do this? They look like freaking tree branches. Essentially what I did wrong in my lightning bolts, guys, is lightning is, I think, just more spread out, so the bolts are a little bit longer and then the little pieces are like at the very end. So go look at a picture for reference, don't look at mine, but this is just to generally show you how to get this look. And then I used a Buxom lip gloss and I added some to my lips and the lightning bolts. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you liked this one. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out all my other Halloween videos right here and subscribe to me right here. Of course, I got fun things coming. That's it. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next and last video, part of my 31 days of Halloween.